Before diving into the lush jungles of gaming, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered what makes a jungle in a first-person shooter truly unforgettable? Imagine stepping into a vibrant world where every leaf rustles with potential danger and adventure. The jungle setting has become a staple in many popular video games. Much like the classic snow or underwater levels, um, from the iconic Sonic the Hedgehog 3 to various Mega Man titles, jungles have captivated players for years. As gaming has evolved, so too have the representations of jungles. Today, we see intricate designs and mechanics that immerse players in survival scenarios. Let's explore some of the most remarkable jungle experiences in FPS games where the thrill of the hunt meets the beauty of nature. In Halo 3, players are transported to the heart of Tanzania's jungles. The mission 0117 offers a stunning visual feast with green canopies and shimmering waterfalls. Although linear, the level is artistically crafted, filled with unique models and hidden Easter eggs waiting to be discovered. Next, we venture to Metroid Prime, where the Talon overworld greets players with its lush jungles and diverse ecosystems. This area is a vertical playground filled with towering trees and bioluminescent caves. It may be small, but its design is significant, as players frequently return to unravel the game's mysteries. So Far Cry 3 takes us to Rook Island, a paradise of vibrant greens and blues. This immersive jungle encourages players to engage with their surroundings, from skinning animals for resources to crafting syringes for boosts. The wildlife here is as challenging as the pirates, making every encounter thrilling, lower culture and in Turok 2008, players find themselves in a colossal jungle filled with dinosaurs. The game combines adrenaline pumping combat with stealth, creating a unique experience. With various weapons and strategies, players can navigate this prehistoric world. Though finding the game today can be a challenge, the Crysis 3 presents a post-apocalyptic New York City overrun by nature. The jungle atmosphere is palpable, with tall trees and waterways blending seamlessly into the urban landscape. Stealth becomes essential as players face off against extraterrestrial foes, making every moment tense and engaging. And finally, we arrive at Avatar Frontiers of Pandora, where the Kingler Forest shines. This game captures the visual style of the films while introducing new biomes filled with unique resources. And the players can interact with the environment, learning about the flora and fauna, making it a rich and immersive experience as we wrap up this jungle journey. Remember, why did the jungle break up with the city? Because it found someone more down to earth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks for watching.